Active no man them. Active said here man. What is life my father? No boy upon the villa here. Active no man father. Active no man them. But this dog all on them on them. Come here say what go on dog man them get new device watch stream pan dog. New device me get for watch stream pan man them. So me now if you come off a free fire so you see it. Yo up you know something there. I hear from my TikTok video up to see you there. Oh yeah bro. Up in a glitch AXC man them. I have new device man them now if you watch stream pan you see it. Think man them gone to school dog. Up glitch 6. What on the man me share that stream dog. Forward around there, see anything at this one. Yo, up in a mayor. What's up, mayor? What's up, mayor? What's up, mayor? Yo, what going, man? What going? I know what going, dog. I know what going, dog. See me, man. Them what going? Glitch, warm, bro. Up in a tika, cuckoo man. A cuckoo man, mayor, warm. Can you get a pin, bro? Just send over 5 sub, bro, and get a pin. Well mad. Just send over 5 sub. Pronounce me pronounce the name. Hold on. I'm trying to pronounce the name. Mayor, right? Mayor. 5 sub for pin, bro. Alright. Man say be a custom, cause me know say man is supposed to hungry for some rooms in there. Why pre-bender? Active no man them. Be some custom dog. Tools. Send see me on the stream now. Yeah, Alka dog. Active no Alka bro. Active man. Like up stream man. Like up stream dog. Some tools you know want play first man them. Alright, here we go though. We go run some Jason. Respect you know. Kiddo, yo, make sure you send a buttercup, make sure you send a subscribe in a dog. 13 man upon him, active man them, Jason. It's Maya, but you spell it with a Maya. Okay, active done, open up bro. Man, then we go play on 4v4 and then after we kick off some 2v2 duos knockout. So make sure you send a duo active, you see me? Man, set up my game right now. Alright bro. You see man them, so make sure you're not active up man them. Like up you see man them are 2 device me have no you know that no boy to me man, no boy to me aye. No boy to that little something here in the back. You're mad. Really custom now man them. Like up you see man them. See me feel happy now that I feel happy today cause alright, you may you know one mad yo add. What your name? Wanna follow me on TikTok? You wanna follow Dan on TikTok dog? No, I can't go see bad word. 1 BBC call mother day and mother will give me some ad lick. Oh my god, they still say it wrong. Just call me Mimi. Or mini me. Or but this all call her mommy. Alright mommy. Better school I call me dog. Why miss go to school on a stream? Them my lifestyle them want live past I go always be 1, 2, 3, 4 bro. Them my lifestyle them want live dog. So we go play on 4v4 first, you see me? Uno room tired, see me call. Try to see me name blue. Mommy. Alright, mommy name. My name all out or one top. All out or one top no one play. Let me know all out or one top. Make me warm up cause the first match. You better say that's how I say warm up, brother. That's I'm telling man I'm say warm up, is it? Come on, me like up stream. One tap. Soon go stream, alright then. No sir, one tap. Alright, one tap man must say. There the MP. Look at man, I'm sure say me not the MP no dog. Calling time I tell him man him say one tap. Man him still wanna go for M10 them dog, UMP bro. PG, oh God have mercy. Come 4v4. Forward up man, forward up. Go and join 1 minute account. Zuzung gang, alright bro. Come man, like up stream. Man, I'm respect for 2.61k in a dog, really appreciate man. Add me, you have me as friend. In this account here, remember say it's a either account you know. Videos in account. What your name? Are you that up there, sir? Alright, me I change back my name. Alright. So mommy you now come mini me. Oh mini me. Okay, mini me. Come on bola come fun. Me am fun. In this account here. But dang I say fun the low dog. Cause I'm yo turn on AC. No sir. Alright. I can't go with you. But that one, yo, dog, all them people are here, so dog. But Juvie me name now, bro, and I depend this unknown cam, bro. But Juvie who? How this something the Javet this or Nikon, not Nikon. Javet this Ford, zoom zing. Come on man, them wanna join up dog, join up. Forward up man them dog. Yeah, but mini me, yes, yeah, me catch it quick. My ears light, jaja. What do I hear then in my house then? Cause sound something I go here. Probably I go on let it set time. Man them focus team, focus man them, focus. Focus man them. Come. How much more money for coming? Focus team, focus. YouTube. On a forward up. Come on them. Hold on man, I can't really chat them dog. Give me a minute man, I can't really chat. Let me just switch this to subscribers only. Yes it. Hold on, let me just switch this to subscribers only.
Give me a minute till the rain is falling. I cannot explain to the world that I can be.
I know the song enough for me dog. Now if you tell me man them. I know dog. Subscribers. Subscribers come up man them. What you say? Just spec and running ones there man. Come up no man them who afford more. Just call the jam. Alright. Alka, you know afford up Alka, no afford up no man them. Wanna do dog? Or so we make dog? Bad Juvie, for no bad Juvie make kick off the tools no dog. Man I want kick off ones I'm never ready dog. What the yo, why man them dip on dog? Come on, add some man. Man, I do my youth. Man, now go on right, dog. Me in the room already. Alright, bro. Alright, yo, add some man, dog. Man, them have school. That me find out. So how you not have school, mini-me? How mini-me not have school? Mini-me a skull school. Mini-me is skull in school, dog. Someone asked Mini-me why she has skull school. Oh, no, but no comment. Me a big old buck. That means you're a big one then. Oh, fall. Koya, who did they name a child go? Wait. Them no love you like I love you. Wallan. Ready up on them, ready up. Come, one more legs man them. Respect for 2.61k in a dog. Really appreciate my bro. Really appreciate. Jamo Whitey, yeah. Come on them, share with stream that, share with stream man them. Share in your sister. Yeah man, anything there. Alright. You want me to name man them? You know me name dog. You know me name dog. You know me name dog. I'm not name man, I'm not name. Brother, so many things juice you're afraid dog. Brother, upon the summer me watch him pan dog, it a drink juice you're afraid dog. Bumbuckler, nice. It a drink juice you're afraid. Man them eating the bumbo 8%, 3%, 1. Bumbo. Come, focus team, focus. Focus team. Man them looking at the nose say school and me I go. I that the school the team which used to go dog.
Heading to supply.
Nah, I don't know upstairs, do not bro. Nah, I don't want to dog. Nah, load up the thing, bro. You see me? Cause I'm gonna load up the thing and I go hear you say, you see me? Aye. Mother, silent, warm, silent, sister, uncle, niece, nephew. And I brawling something now. What is your not charge? Must I feel like I said that phone I give bomb or ask you a problem, bro. No, if that one dead, it's dead. If it want to dead, it's dead. Oh yeah. If you want dead, it's dead, man, them. One me, I box him up in a dog. Bumbuckler. I'm charge the phone because that boy you feel like saying too stuff. No man, and I phone me I play upon the dog. Bumbuckler phone the 8 and the phone gonna 12. How can I science this? I mean say phone I charge without me knowing. Hold on there. Hold on there. Something not right. Something no look right yesterday. Hold on there man them. Alright, so that doing this so. See the charger now. Come in, know some me have sense. Man, them just skills me the boy they win. The boy act man them. No, I can't say that because I'm under 10 box him up. I'm looking son in the dog. I name how box me up. For something under him. Look a boy that man them. Kuya. Where man in there? You know some there in your cousin? Bombo Alka! Alka! Ah, me head up, me dog. Me head. Man, my stomach a burn me dog. I mean I feel head in my stomach dog. Come on, like up the stream, man. Like up the stream and share the stream, man. Let's go. Some rooms you have to do the dog. Not in stream until you tired and head. Aye. Come on, share the stream dog. Alright, nice one. Man, I don't want to play some next. Some 1v1 knockouts are 2v2s. Some 2v2s knockouts are some 1v1. I don't want to play some 4v4. Man, you can do some giveaway in the dark. I have some diamond for the dark account in the dog. I have some diamond for the account dog. I don't know how to pull it. I can't pull it though. But I stream, so I can't pull it. Go here, man, them dead ass. But man, them. Who put that boy in my group? Man, a man could tell man say me not play but dog. A man could tell man say me not play but dog. Oh, him win 4v4, 1v1, bro. Alright, me here 2 man say 1v1 dog. Alright, bro. Anything gonna say that? I want a global, cause man can't give me a global. Bumbo clot, Jaja. Me see that I don't even me cousin. Me see that I don't even me dog. Oh, that boy they kill me. Let me see boy life. Oh, that boy they hack. Don't talk dog. Cause them boy in a style, my cousin. Alright, 2v2. 1v1 knockouts. Alright. I know I'm play some bomba mad big man them. I know. But that phone I feel long you're afraid dog. No say for that I'm telling you the dead though. I swear to God. Oh Alka, you play me so Alka, you batty boy. Alka, next time you play me so dog, you man I'm a lead. Alka, bro. Alka, you have a red BMW runner dog? I don't know if Alka have a red BMW runner dog. No, not the red one. The blue M5 dog. This a boy what? No batty boy, never batty boy. I boy so rude to lag me out dog. When I shine know say me a stream. You see, oh, you match done. Match done, man, them. Match done, dog. Alright, man, I'm not saying what we do now. Some 4v4 or what? Tell me, man, tell me before I go down further. Some 4v4 or what? Alright, so, man, them. Let me see. Let me see what I say. Cause you know I know me not get a good game in the dog. Man must say 4v4. We build one more 4v4 and the next one, cause right now me need to get a play dog. With the MP. So unknown, jam admin, unknown Campbell. Better me not have it on my list bad man. You have to join by the room, bro. You have to join by the room, brother. We gonna play one next 4v4 and then after our union type shit.
Hello, motherfucker.
A union type shit, dog.
What do you want? Oh, the chance. Oh, I'm done. Hey, boy.
More no. So how much man they have to play fours? More no better. One's bad man, me can't watch no one's to bomb buckler. You mad? Can't watch no man for yo, you mad dog. We play one more fours, bro. Yo, I like, bro, you know, I'm play the ones and stream this stuff. Team code? 49 team code. Hold on there. Oh, forward. See the team code. 900 per stream. Better you play one more 4v4 dog. And then we play some ones. Alka, tell me this now. If you play one, who you go 1v1? Tell me. Cause if no man know and play 1v1, who you go 1v1? Who you go 1v1? Team code is 1049842. Unknown, you have to have another device to join stream anyway, take it, bro. So what's the name? None dog. Make him warm me? You're the man. Think about this, you know? Bad Juvie, who dog? Better bad Juvie supposed to make the code. Dog, bro, where come from here? Cause them coward here, the man. Saski, me flap him sure. Jaja. See, you say, all I'm on my turn for you, all I'm say you flap your show. So, you know, in the sense, you go 1v1. Man, next one, you play some 2v2 now, do one outside ones. Me think about it. That. Yeah, that. Come on, I said, open the iPad and now play dog. What going, bro? iPad if you get back my there, cause let me make sure somebody do MP. Global that I'm put on chip everything. Forward work online. Forward up money, forward up. Do set password? Password 1 2 3 4 forward up money. Miss who forward complete. Alright bro, I'm add this boy. You see me other bad Juvie? I like to see them try. From my body cycle team in a loser no. Brother you can't lose by me dog. So what you talking about bro? I must say me invented axe, yeah bro. Me invented axe bro. Me invented axe. So me don't know what you're talking about cause. And you know say me invented axe. So what am I talking about? You don't know dog? Pass the 1 2 3 4 man, I'm gonna forward up dog or circle up man them. If not circle up, don't know what you wanna do bro. Alive? This a boy back out from. Me nah back again. Come, 3 more man forward. No. 4 for me said, yeah, 3 more man. Come on, I'm gonna join up dog. Hold on man them. Me try me come pull, hold on. Hold on, them no love you like I love you. Them no love you like I love you, guys. See that door, see all I'm forward up, come no man, pass it 1 2 3 4 now. Forward up. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward up. Password 1, 2, 3, 4. Send me a request, man, as rain a fall. No better one pipe in a bathroom, dog. Send me a request. Forward up. Password 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come over now, brother. 1, 2, 3. Come over iPhone. Four v4, brother. 1, 2. Oh, need one more man forward. One more man forward, dog. One more man forward. Hey boy, them weak and since we start notice. One thing me tell myself, if a girl wants, hey, me no get a clown. Enough time you see girls spoil love friends but me. One thing me tell myself, no man no fi supposed to sleep a girl yard. Alright, ends them a woman them. Alright, ends them a wall here. Man, you come pick you off of your thread, dog. You hear that? You see what me telling you, dog? How much more man for? Come on, I say. One tap that? No, bro. Hold them, cause run me mad. Alright, bro. Hold on there, cause I'm gay mad, cause ready. This full dog. Ready? Make sure we're not good for a TikTok clips. Man, remember if you not post clips, you not add me, dog. Oh, not tag me, bro. If you not post clips, you not tag me, dog. But not me getting it, though. Not me getting it, dog. Donate. Remember, you want donate? Come now, but what the bomb boy ass clap bad Juvia do, dog? So much man want mad, a man have to send us up for mad, cause see how they script tough. What? Yes, I the back it jump out. I'm here, boy. Mini me, you know I'm mad, mini me. Just send over 3 sub now, send them to your boyfriend now, man. Make your boyfriend them come over here. Just send 3 sub, what on them on them. If bad Jubi no come by the time we come, we kick him out there, man. Me no sleep, a girl, the other hands me a girl. So me lock off with them on them. Cause me no want to be a disturb una, you see it? If you a disturb una now, you do sound. But alright, but Juvie, no man as pussy. Come out. One more man forward. A man forward. How much man there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, clad. Come on, no dog. Nine no man them. Before me here, I did back jump out. Me can't help you cause all me look for your name, me can't find the cause. No sir, I'm fine. Fade off you see my name blue.
Resources here.
Alright, me. Only a boyfriend was stream can get name blue. Alright, me. styling thing, mini. A styling thing on them. Mini no want me dog. And show your man. Your man never stream. One if I iPod diamond. Blue name trash. iPod diamond seal I'll come out me and come out. iPod diamond dog. iPod is here, man. iPod diamond dog. Nah, go in the scene. 20 man gang on me on this. Bombuckler. Fuck yeah, man. Don't go in and get clap jam. Though there nobody on YT, darling. Why, darling? I can give you ribs, man. Hey, no go lie. For a minute, me a call. Baby girl, I never do a long distance relationship. I can take you in, you know. Alright. So mini so tell me this now. So what's on that time you find out say. Yeah, they will do a man, but you find him off of YouTube. And if you anytime you go ask him say what he live right side there yo. Tell me this now. What you say? Man, my son dunks dog. My son dunks dog. Son brother, my son like yo, man stop say fuck you know cause where about then there. Man, what you man lose clear 3v4. Then can't manage. Alcohol say boy absence. Alcohol upon 0 kill. Alcohol, where you there? Bombuckler. Where in there? Dog. Bleaching. Who say me a fish but no call it. Which kind of attack? Which kind of attack iPod? Alright. Nice. Nazirook. You full of name like me to bombard. Nazirook. Alright, Nazirook. Wow, upgrade. Bombuckler. Jeep man name Jeep. Bombuckler. Oh, what take them out? Alka? Rook. Me know say you can't win Rook. Yeah man, Rook I go win. Man them. Aka.
Thanks.
Aka dog. Like up see, man me now start to the customer until reach. No, me nah no manners. Alright, man, come on, like up the stream, dog. You're up in a white competitive, man, them. White competitive, you're going to 49x on in a bro. Crack, you're afraid. Yo, white competitive, man must say they have the most honorable crap man in this custom right now. Look how much kill him on the pan. No, 1 kill in the pan. You must say boy by cycle settings. Alright, first match in playing they play very good, right? But then he not good again competitive. Brother, I didn't know no dog. I didn't know dog. Yeah, white competitive dog. You have to come nil out them, bro. Cause they ain't feeling tough, brother. All I want name Nazirook. Right now, you don't know which side him we choose. You see me? Cause 2 ain't crack. I'm not sure how much. He never 2 kill. The boy go on Desi headshot, but he feeling crack. Oh yeah. You know say we watch him? You want job so I see man job against them slow. You see me? Psycho. Alright, hold that pin. Psycho sense you not camp on rooftop. No, sir. Yeah, me afford. Bomba! The man afford. Man afford the orange cheetah curl. Just turn down your chickens.
Resources here.
Can't carry no more. From white. And a white me a come make. Your white is a 2v2 door and a cut in a bro. You have a door? If you have a door, come play, bro. If you have a door, you come play, bro. But if you afford, cause some little slaughter man in there. You see me man and kick your foot, dog. I'm not add no man, so no man ask me. Where boy in the man hiding a dog? Where that one there? See me? Bumbo clan man them aka. Number one aka. You see that dog? To me headshot him brother, he feel like say dog, you see the thing about dog? Cause I spam me and spam things. In the school, me no know. So how to iPad the pass him? Me no think say Dinny one name shines. Jaja bro. Nice no man. Me get me kill. Brother, me get me kill dog. Yeah man Dinny supposed to go to school for a rain time, you see. Oh want be me do?
Resources here.
Competitive probably gone fin do, you see. Man, I'm wide competitive. Yo, that go tell you one thing. Me why competitive, man. Fast, cause brother. Upon TikTok, me meet that another. You see me? I'm tell that say hope to see you on my stream, brother. Man, crack dog. I swear to God, bro. You man cracking a dog, brother. Did you get me kill? Where boy in there? Come now. Alright, me see one of them. Yeah man, you all man. Bumbo clad. Really upgrade? Better than that, no upgrade dog. Fuck out, yeah man, me take your killer. Do you want to take me kill like a batty boy? Bumbo clad. Climb up and jump, climb up, jump, climb up. Bumbo clad. Walk through your jam, me can't come up. Better, dog. GG's bro. 50 man upon him, come no man them. Like up the stream dog. I shine this jam. Oh, I wouldn't name my iPad. Me no know, bro. Man, them wanna say no want play on big map. Come now like up stream 15 man dog and 12 likes. Better than that, no dog. Them use a feel them could have man. Them have powers. Come on, them wanna say no want play a 20 man upon stream. Wanna say no want play one something the dog. Me know, bro. One play dog. Wanna play one big. What do you call one big map? Let me know dog. Can 1v1 Ford? You can't 1v1, that's one thing. You need the big map? Wanna say rent again? Kiss me teacher, I'm call down your viewers. They mind me get there coming off here of mud. Calling her laters. One top time and watch me cook. Wanna say big map or no? 1v4. Who want 1v4? Boy, you wanna get nil boy? Come on, one more 4 there. One more 4. Look boy, you wanna get nil boy 1v4 ya dunks? Run it again? Alright, everyone want me run it again. That me run it again. What kind of song now I'm run back again? Soca? I'm giving a girl tune, eh? My girl, I want to live in your belly like I want to inside my tea down in your no one ab. Yeah, inside my whole like I want to inside my tea down in your no one inside my tea. Hey, man, them artist this ain't a dog. I told me not take it serious, bro. Cause me take it serious, damn, would probably viral, bro. Add me now, tell you about the commoners. We can't get little, bro. Alright, bro. Next one. Cause me know say you can't V4. Cause if you not get 1 kill in this match here. How you name? You name Nazirook if you got go with the helmet. If I you, me can't help a little boy. But I try not be Nazirook, eh? These kids, me can't get nailed. Alright. Kuya. When 4 man run down upon you, what you can do? If Green not in the you can't do nothing. Unless you fast like who would say fast? Who would say fast? Who would say no man them? I'm UMP. What I'm tell you password? Password 1 2 3 4 no 4 them. But Juvie say me add him after me not see him. Me not see bad Juvie brother. Me not see me no dog. 90 man on stream, run a big map. Next one, bro. Bro, me fast, which part? Man, we not start until we read 18 likes, man, them. 18 likes here start, man, them. If you don't want mad, you send over 3 sub, dog. 3 sub for mad, bro. One other dog. Alright, 100 meter this, you know? Yeah, man, see, boy, him. Yeah, man, that boy, I gonna kneel me, man, them. One just watch your head back now. Now you have to watch your head back, dog. Yeah, bro, white crack, man, them. Him crack. Him crack, dog. Him crack, man, them. So now watch him, dog, yeah? Come, man, them. 18 likes, man. 18 likes. Man, they not like up the stream, man, them. Like up the stream, man, them. I'm to the dog. And doing that, no man, Bo Jackson is another youth. Me online, alright, bro. Kuya. So man, I gone back offline. What type of phone I use? Me a change. Don't keep me. Alright, bro. Alright. Kuya, if me didn't know say you name Nazirook, me tell you, dog, me tell you, brother, me tell you, dog. Him name Nazirook, brother. It would make no sense, bro. No sense. Come on, we not until you reach at least 16 like, man. Them one other dog. Man, my son a switch, dog. Didn't go to school, bro. Didn't go to school. The boy sell me phone, you know. Shines. The boy sell me phone, dog. Boy sell me phone, dog. Right now, I'm watching streaming them on the iPhone yet. Look now. Come. Say me a addy man, you know one come. Me a addy in a bro, and you know one come, bro. Oh boy. In the man them. Come on them. 4v4 ready? Ready, man, them? Me name one, but Juvie over my side in a dog. Although I'm gonna get bully stills. Up in a X Jazz. A Jazz? Dog, brother, school, dog. School, man, them. You have to go back to school, dog. Just say to God, dog. School? Me not making next. Me not make next year come and me not go back to school, dog. I just remember that. Man, I if you do if you go to school today. Fuck. Dog, why am I going to say thing them so, dog? Bumbuckler. Where the boy you come from, dog?
First blood. Double kill.
Where the boy you come from? Watch him. Alright, alive. Nice. Sparta. Jamaica. Bumbuckler. No, dog. Don't get it in, bro. Man, get him. Man, I'm telling you, say white. Brother, I'm telling you, say white up, dog. I'm telling you, say, brother, I'm telling you, say, man, crap, brother. Add me next. Alright, bro. Man, I'm telling you, say white. Kuya. Them a kill you, man. You can't kill him, man, so, brother. Kuya no, kuya. Nice. Easy there, man. Feel first in your life, you man like a crap, man, dog. Nice, bro. Wrist. So, alright then. It's a so good emoji, me say, man, bro. You must feel down. Delete the game, man. Delete the game. I'm not, man. Fuck. Yo, dog, I'm on by me that, please. But I'm on by me that globally, dog. Man, my boy gonna even remember me, bro.
I need equipment.
Oh, respect. Me get it. Yo, white competitive 1 or 2v6. Bumbuckler. How that? Are you saying it? See me, man, them see me? See me, dog, see me, man, them, find me.
First blood.
They knock him. Nice, bro. Then can't size up. Dog. We can't size up. Find it. Come. See, Bumbuckler. Very small, sir. I don't be the killer. Die, man, kill me, bro. Come, bro, help. Kuya, man, I go make white take them out.
Double kill.
Tell your dog, me. I'm telling you, say, brother. Dog, me telling you, say, now make white take you out, dog. White competitive. Yo, white, you still up on stream, white? Or one device white have?
I need equipment.
Brother, me here, boy, white in a dog, me here, yo, man, them, Bumbuckler. Me can't make that boy win, you mad? Nil, man. Oh, no, we are going to pick up Nil, cuz. We can't pick up Nil. Can't pick up Nil, dog. Just give a piece of your head now, man. Make it telescope it. Bombard. No, man. Doesn't make him give you a piece of head. Make it telescope it, man. Them. Sure, K2. Yeah, man said that, man said 1 or 2v6, bro. K2 who, dog? Father God. Boy, so you're going to without global, boy. But then you want to see man just grind without global. I'm going to say, kuya. Yo, my name is 2v6 dog. Me spec, man. You see? Me spec, dog. Me go for that one. Me go for that meat, yeah. Me I go for that meter. Yeah man, we not get nil. Friend in dead we not get nil man them. Friend in dead we not get nil. Friend in dead we not get nil. Alright. Come here. Where you run go? Nice no man! No, we not win. Oh, me think we win. Kuya, you can't kill it for we. I'm mad. Man, I'm mounted down here. Fuck, hey. Nice, man. I go up on main after. Alright, bro. Yo, KD. Yo, K2B. Go and share with stream in a minute, bro. May they know say them if you come watch a 2v6. You see it? Yeah, white competitive, bro.
Resources here.
Then can't win 6 man then, cause 6 man me I swear kid dog. Me go expect he something dog. Me go expect he 2v6 bro. Gumbo clear alive kill him man. No, I something kill him man. No. The boy love can't want me see dog. Hey, bumbo clap backy boy, look. You fishy youth. A fish in a dog. Spartanak. Alright, bad juvie. Easy there, bad juvie. No liquid red, bad juvie dog. Bumbo.
Triple kill.
Bad juvie ass dog. 20% time if he gets all, I make you one charge in time.
Resources here.
50 is there.
Resources here.
In time, you want V some more go on, I make you one charge. No man, I just need the little boy you keep money. You see me? At least they not giving it low. If they ain't giving it now, no year say but two they not giving it now. Every man shut up. No man no one type. No man no one work. No man no one work dog. The fuck are you? Yeah man, you need one work. You need one work, batty boy. Come on, this one. Dog, I want me kill a while ago, cause yo, that one they sweet me. Bumbo clad. Bumbo ass clad. Bumbo clad. You can't kill me. If you feel like you ever get this party.
Triple kill.
The bumbo clad this. Yo, you know say bad juvie alive and spot them a punk dog. But that bad man me say bad man feel like about them see dog. Only man feel make him and them kill them, they say just spread out on the helmet now. Just spread out on the helmet. Just do that man, spread out on the helmet, look go down. Yo, and disappointed dog. Disappointed. 2v6 better. Me watch a 2v6 dog. Me watch a 2v6 dog. Well, I'm gonna make it. Make what cause know some of the live. Oh, I know same bro. Make a 2v6. That's what I'm doing. Yo, why competitive? Send me a TikTok. Wanna make sure I say it. Send me a TikTok, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me what can I go down for? No, I'm at the MP. Up in a 200, bro. Active. Alright, so I'm at the MP. I'm at the MP. What is it? Me take a daisy out. What a little stupid big boy. Alright, so UMP that. No UMP, it's just alright, no UMP man say alright bro. So M18 Dizzy. Put on chip M10. Chip M10. Now put on chip M10. Forward up, me I speak. Pause at 1, 2, 3, 4. Man name forward up play. Man name forward up play. 2v6 man them. Way too competitive. Let me type up that man. TikTok. White. Pause at 1, 2, 3, 4. White. See white them on them. White. Better somebody spell too, dog. Come on, see me. I'm man them, him. Come on, a little akka boy, dog. You didn't know say that boy there, damn top player, dog. The boy, see me just fire there, bro. Yo, K2B, what your name? I'm Joshi. Oh, nice, bro. Nice. Add. Alright, bro. Alright, Baju. I don't see Baju online, dog. Wait, me jib cause. Alright, cause me ready. One bombard iPad. Whoa, bro, get it, man. Them. Him get it. Boy, get it. Venom. What is it? Venom suit number 11. Boy, get it, dog. Double. But change the slippers. Change your shorts. Yeah, man. Change them the two there. Them the two there gonna make you play ass, bro. Forward up now, man. Them 2v6, dog. 2v6, bro. Add up someone. So, man, you now forward up. I'm afraid of 2v6. Which one? Man, I'm afraid of 2v6, dog. Oh, I do the same for him. But I do before. But do the same for him now. See anytime I had him on there? Come, add someone, dog. Man, him forward up, dog. Forward up, man, him. Look now. Datika! Solid idiot, man, jam. WG, bro. Bombard. My name with that M10, the dog. Girl, something this a flyer. 3 more man forward up. 3 more man forward up, dog. 3 more man. Kinda feel for a 1v1, not gonna lie. Next one, bro. Next one go bless a 1v1 crow. Let's do it. 5 more likes, man. Let's go, dog. We're the Crocus player. Man, them 2v2, the real crackest player, man, them. Add 3, man. Real crackest playing. My sense ain't ready. Nobody need to accept that. Just hope see a win. So why beat Mad go over this, huh? Beat, overbeat. My friend crack. 2v6 beat. Or beat on my boat him. Ready, man, them? So here now, I'm gonna make an intro, right? The intro is ready, set, go. Man, them, welcome back. 2v Bumbuckler 6, man, them. No bad word? Alright, no bad word. Man, them, welcome back. 2v6 white. White 2 competitive? No, one of them start back over. Alright, I'm gonna start back over. Man, them, you don't know it's white 2 competitive versus. Oh, this Joshi? No, sir, me nah make them wrong. Alright. Man, them Y2 competitive. Hold on. Y2 competitive. Joshi versus 6 player, man. Let's see who will win. Ready? Jesus Christ, man, so cool like him mother, dog. Back out, brother, back out. Him man him back out, dog. Back out, bro, back out, brother. Yo, dog, this fed up, bro. Yo, you know, say I go be one cause so good like your mother do batty boy. Come out of this pussy. Yo, man, him back out, dog. But you know, say me Billy back out, I'm not going to wait for them, man, do, dog. But them, man, just, dog, sick to muck, cause. Let me make you back over, brother. Let me make you back over, dog. Password 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that. Yo, Josh, on a back out? Why too competitive? On a back out, bro? We should change the password set times, now. Anytime I reach 2v6, me change the password. Remember me, man, them. Remember me, dog. Alright, so that. Make sure it's everything right, dog. Alright, M10, no, sir. And Daisy. Forward up, man, them. Forward up. Say one, bro. 2v6 in a say forward up, man, them. Forward up, dog. Pass 1, 2, 3, 4, now forward up. 2v6, man, them. 3 more, man. Alright. Joshi, come now, Joshi. Come on, add some man, add 3 man. Alright, man in there. Come on, add 3 man. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4. When I forward up, man, them. 1, 2, 3 for the password. Forward up, man. Forward up, dog. AP, come over, bro. Add me in your list. Come, Luffy. Come, one more man forward. One more man forward. Alright, if me play it, I go be advanced to correct video. Oh boy. Oh boy, bomba dog. Me have to chop the account. I got boss made, my friend. I must have no email them and everything in the dog. I just make up mine as it. One more man I just need you forward. One more man. Man him. Every man give me a community post. Dog. Share with swim, man them. Anybody who share with swim, just tell me I'm going on my dog. Please, bro. It doesn't go over this. I bet you not get free play. Ask him say if he bet you not get free play. Ask him. One more man forward, dog. One more man forward, bro. Just one more man only for the EP, other man. Just one more man, dog. So now forward up, dog. My name, come my name. 3 more, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 more sub man we need to reach 2.61k. 62k, dog. Let's go, man them. Let's go. One more man for that. One more man. Who afford, dog? One more man we need for that. Other man already. Nah, God. Come. One more man we need for dog. Double up in a iPad, bro. One more man, dog. One more man. Alright, we ready? Let's go, man them. Yo, dog, this is gonna be intense double match, man them. Why song them say? Man, give me a song for player. Give me a song of a player. Why song their name? Let me see the song. Yeah, man, you know, dog. Jesus Christ, man, them. Oh, God have mercy. Oh God. No man, but one more that's Rasclad. What that song you say name? Song name. Song name please. Bumbleclad. Me and the devil walking by side. Copyright song my name. Me and the devil. Alright, my name a copyright song. A copyright song, man. Me and the devil walking side by side. Copyright song. Man never copyright song, man. My man tell me what copyright song. Alright, then active what now? We and the devil. Come on, man, them. One day. Man never copyright song first, cause. Alright, then active what now? I'm not playing a song in alright for that shit, babe. Alright? Come, man, I'm attack you more, see, I'm more Javi. Joshi? Alright, Joshi? Alright, what white I do? Bumbleclad. What the fuck, What go on there, so? I'm more Javi, man, I'm more Javi. I'm so Javi I do, dog. Let me see what Javi I do. God, this not serious. Nice beats. Nice. One more. Nice. One more, bro. Bro. Bumbo clad. Look for his song name, man. Look for his song name. Why song name there? Why song name there? Phone there 10. Plug in this bitch. No heal up, no heal up, no. Alright, heal up a player, heal up a player. Alright, no heal up. No heal up, not supposed to play now, cause. Alright. iPad 1 that bro, 4 to go, no, 5 to go. Jaja, so much. Alright. Alright. Them are running back in my man them. Them are running down in a dog. Tell this card fin slow. I'm not just reaching man them says Jaja. Oh man, oh my, oh yeah man, all of them are up bro. NXS bro, what's up bro? 2v6 in a dog, 2. What them say? Alright, come here. Nice. I doesn't like yellow bro. Give me something better cause 20 likes I pre man. Nice. What you do? EP ass. Ultimately say 3 man get it in a dog. 3 man get it bro. So me say 3 man get it dog. 3 man get it dog. 3 man get it dog. Me vest. Man a ball dog. Man a ball for invest in this. Man them headshot only bro. What's hard in that dog? iPad, what you on iPad? Nothing bro. Alright, man them white look crap now dog. Right, active up man them. When I say them afraid of Virgin man them. Virgin bombo clad. I'm not see that. But me eerie. Me eerie. Me eerie dog. Nice. Alright. Alright, cause the day back. Cause the day back. Alright bro. Alright. Alright, come here. Come here. Come here. Whoa, nice. Come here. Bumbo clad. I chat. Alright. iPad. iPad man go for. Nice Joshi. I'm speaking this. I'm taking him. Taking him on them. I'm taking him. Alright. Nice. Let me show you some cellular charge now. Alright bro, nice. Bumbo club. DS spam dog. Walk on. Who knock? Nobody no knock. Man watch out in the helmet season cause. Alright. Come here. iPad. iPad that. Bumbo club. 1 knock. Alright. 1v3 no bro. 1v2 bro. 1v2. 1v2. Alright man, let's see if he can clutch him. Man, if he can clutch him, man, tell me dog. He can clutch it. Come on him. 3 more legs dog. 3 more legs man. Let's go dog. Alright. Come here. Nice. Alright. Too competitive bro. Too competitive. Alright. Them can't kill so quick dog. It's hard for them killer bro. iPad need a kill so iPad gonna be thirsty bitch. Oh you don't get that? Oh you don't want that? Nice bro. Come here. Come here. Alright. Yeah man, you mean this man you can't get nailed. Triple killing no man them triple kill well getting a dog. Bumbo clot. Double watery kill. Watery kill. Wow. Nice boy. Two more likes man. 2 more likes. Let's go man. 2 more likes dog. 2 more likes. 2 more likes and 3 more sub man. 2 more likes and 3 more sub. Oh that son. Sweet me. 2 more likes and 3 more sub there. Let's go man them. Double up chat man them. Alright. Alright man them in there walking there. Alright man them crack is 4-4. Man in level 4-4 killing now. Yeah man I fear me this. I fear me this. This a boy you can't win. This a boy you can't win. Can't win. Alright. Fear chicken this you know cause Let me see what Joshie do. Alright, Joshie active. Bumbokla, Joshie the hack. Yeah man, nice Joshie. Alright. Go for them wide. Go for them wide. Alright. Alright, see one here? Wanna feel good meter? Whoa, two of them. Two of them. Alright. Alright, bro. Nice. Nice, bro. Nice. Alright. Bombo clad. What Josh there? What Josh there? Joshy. Alright, man, see if Joshy can clutch this. How much? How much of them? 3 of them? More than 3 no cause. Bombo. Make a 5 of them. 5 of them, dog. Nice one that, bro. Nice, Joshy. Man, Joshy them ever give me some nice clips from my life. Joshy them ever give me some clips from my life, bro. Come here. Alright, give me a kiss on in cheek for me. Give me a kiss on me. Give me a kiss on in cheek for me, dog. Give me a kiss on in cheek for me. iPad then just a let go the helmet, so. iPad then just a let go the helmet, dog. Kuya, EP, man, Beats alone there. Let's watch Beaks, man. Let's watch Beaks, dog. Bomba. W mans. W mans, bro. Ah, man. Come on him. Yes, man, them. Yes, man, them. Yes, man, them. Oh, you know, I seen the same thing. Alright, come, bro. Alright, you know, yes, I'm gonna system, no dog. Alright, nice. One done. Nice. Bakaya, bro, bakaya. Alright. Alright. Alright, in ear music them man them. Yeah man. Yes bro, nice. Alright. Come here. Do jogging back. Do jogging back. Do jogging back. Bumbo club. Man them, just alone take them out. Just alone take them out. Just alone take them out. Nice. Heal up your partner. Heal him up. Nice boy, me see that. Me see it. Alright. Me see it, bro. Me see it. Why me skip so quick? Alright. Bumbo killer, 10 kill. 10 kill. Fear me that. Alright, Joshi. Well, let's see what Joshi have there. Let's see what Joshi have. Alright. Nice. If you eliminate iPod, man, I'm my own team now, you know, dog. They're my own team now, you know. But I'm using head. Alright. Alright. Everybody can't kill you. Beats kill you though.
Where are you?
Beats kill you though, dog. Bro, try to get zone. That one was nice, man. Them. Yes, man, them. Alright. Come now. Come now. Alright, White. Whoa. White, go change up in jeep. Change up in jeep, man, them. Alright, bro. Come here. Come here. Fear of all this. Fear of all this. How much of them? Two of them? Two of them? Fear of all this. Fear of all this. Alright. One of them fast in a dog. Fast to bro. Bro, fast, Fred. Bro, fast. Bro, fast. Nice. Alright. Man, 1v how much? 1v how much? 1v how much? Let's see. Let's see. Those from the money in a boy. 1v how much? Alright. 1v how much? Come here. Come here. One dad. One dad. Two dad. Come here. Alright. Come on, attack your freight dog. Nice. How much left back? 3. 4 left back or 3? 4. Alright. Alright. 3 left back. One back. 3 left back, man, them. Alright, song making get intense. Alright, no sir. Give me something more than that. Give me something more than that, cousin. Need something more than that. Something more than that. Something more than that. A little boy. A little boy. A little boy. Take your money out of the box and nice. Yeah man, then can't catch you. Bumbuckler, nice iPod. iPod catch that one they do. How much money win by? 2. Double your man them. Double your man them. Bruh. Man, I'm not saying no one now. 2v2 do one knockout or 1v1? Let me know. 1v1 no or 2v2? Why him not get mad?
Nice iPod.
Yo, iPod just camping. 2v2 or 1v1? Two v2 no or 1v1? Ones. Go and stream to join. Go and stream to join. I gotta do something. Alright, bro. Alright. Ones. I'm see. 2v2. 2v2. Alright, man, come back out of this, dog. Man, them, that was an intense one, dog. That was an intense one, bro. Dog. Yo, bro. That was an intense cara, bro. Man, want to join this. Want to take this thing for youths. I know what the code life, bro. 2v2 we play. Alright. We are play 5 2v2. No. Tell how we are play. 2's the man is. We are play 5 2v2s and 5 1v1s, yeah? So 5 2v2s. 5 2v2s. Every time 5 2v2s you play. So make sure you have one do already. Make sure you have one do, dog. Brother, I said that I custom brother on top and me come now go add no man into the room. So no man not tell me something add them in the room, brother. That's enough we have a next device. We don't have TV. We don't have laptop cause dog. And this thing brother, but you don't know the situation go bro and don't know say man I go on say me as tell him for a friend thing cause of that more the year brother. Me a play boy a pass giveaway, you see me? A room full. Me other mad dog, room full. Man, them ask me say if a friend thing them a do and they ain't thing, them ever say queer. I use them week and I recent me start notice. But when I don't know, that's why I not add no man, brother. If me know say no man on the stream, I don't know me. Other man is it. But other friend that me know say man on the stream. And a man a bad and I say they want play. Me can't add no man, cause you see me, a man go want play. A man can't know the permission man me add them, bro. You see it? So now if you understand, dog. Man, I want to play a plane, dog. And the chip M10. Alright. Let's go, man. I'm ready. I'm ready now. Hold on, what can I go on this? 2v2s, man. 2v2s. Pass the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now forward up. Pass the 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward up, man. Them. Forward up, dog. Forward up, man. Them. Forward up, dog. Alright, white and 8 it. Right, man, them. Me want a door. If they come, I would get a door. 2v2, man, and me white. Nice, W, man. 2 man come already. 2 more man forward. Space there. Come, 2 more likes. You know that until we 21 likes. 21 likes until we start, man, them. 21 likes until we start. Come on, forward up, dog. EP. 1 more man forward up. Hey, Boba! It's on to forward. Yes, you wanna. Yo. Stream later. Oh, you. Pass the 1, 2, 3, 4. If full. If full, bro. I change the password back. If full, bro. If full, love your password. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, but if full, bro. Alright, so man, them peek me, please. Make sure it's not peek me now. EP1 versus white. 2 competitive. And 8. And H88, man, them is in elegant group, you know. Elegant what? Elegant Gill. You see me? In crack in a dog. Look pan him. In crack, bro. Let me say in crack, dog. In crack, dog. Y2 competitive, in crack too. You see it? Me not telling a lie. In crack, brother. You see, if you look on the 2v6, the man give some headshot there. I can't cause no bad word because someone want clips. You see it? If you want to post clips on YouTube, on TikTok or YouTube, make sure to add me on YouTube. Alright, see if you can look down the bottom, you can see my IG, my YouTube, and TikTok. Jamal YT, bro. You see, dunks, man, them. So let's go, dog. Let's go, man, them. Alright. What are them on them? Yo, so much ads there on this one video, dog. Me get grim dunks, you know, dog. Bombard. Nice. Peek me, please. Bumbo clot. Yeah, man, I get nil. I can't swear. May I come there? Alright. Alright. Alright, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Too crack. Too competitive, man. Them too competitive. Bumbo clear, man. Not. Alright. Nice. Cab. I nail this. Play some Trevor Scott. Feeling slow now. Alright, some Trevor Scott. A copyright song? Trevor Scott. Where you say song, man? Fiend. A copyright, bro? One have a copyright now. Where? Let's go, Benjam. Let's go, dude. Right. Hey, copyright my name. Copyright. Travis Scott. Copyright. Yeah, Travis Scott no copyright song. Fiend Day Night. Yeah, Travis Scott. Travis Scott come and say copyright will go. Travis. We are really, bro. Yeah, Travis Scott no copyright song. Fiend Day Night. Bro, them man that weak, you're afraid. Come on, like up the stream now, like up the stream on them. Alka, you there back, Alka? Alka is a 2v2, do not cut in a dog. You can see he's a 1v1 AZ. Forward Alka. Come here. Don't make your man clap here now, bro. Don't make your man clap here. Fraud. Why you, man? Saya there. So Saya say na play Saya. Bumbo clad. How many see that? So Saya na play. And where? Don't make him on get too run. Don't make him on get too run. Nice, no man. Double bro. Come on then. Play up, BL.
First blood.
I'm a Scott, ayy. I'm a back, bro. This dude on no shame. Think I also living like is crazy. Oh yeah, yes, yeah, ping I. Yes, come on, take out him, man. EP just a take out HA, dog. Come here. When you take that, nice. Come here, boy. Bumbo cloud, beat me, please. Jammy man, them file active. Yeah, man. So you now play next one. You now play next one iPad. iPad look shaky, dog. Man, I be able to shaky, bro. Hey, yes, sir. Someone phone there. 15. Who want be my door? iPad need a door still, you know. So link iPad. iPad, see I get a door, you take it or leave it. Would it be better if you take it? Cause you don't know. Like say, you have a door, you see it. Man, I come in another room a while ago, a piece of pin take me a while ago. Straight things here, strokes and catch dog.
First blood.
Nice. Nice. Watch ya. Don't do it. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, dog. Tree when the man am looking at dog. Tree when the man am looking at bro. So you can't have watching it. Bumbuckler, beat me please. Beat me please, crap man them. Can't tell you that dog. Come on, crap. Yo, soon forward, alright bro. Why them a play all out one top? No. Oh fuck. So you not play? So that means say your phone on charge. Keys. Nice. Alright, right. Let me see what right out. This person now. This one. Nice, right? Nice. Right, EP. Nice bumbuckler. Nice boy. One box of food. I mean laptop me I use tab. Oh. Alright. Nice. Gang him. Gang him. Nice. 3-3. 3-3. And I hear that boy. Who no feel like say I go win? And I tell me no man them man kill the man in them box. 3-3 man them who no feel like say I go win? Tell me this now. Cause one man do want to fuck everything losing a dog. You see me? When you tell me who no feel like say I go win. Why I'm gonna put this? Yeah, that's true. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Kuya. Bumbuckler. Nice. They win. So quick. So quick this done. So quick this done. GG's. Somebody hack. This done quick. Well, I'm gonna let go password. I'm not here for it, man. Best door right now, bye. Password 1 2 3 4 4 up. Password 1 2 3 4 4 up, man them. Next two door then 4 up. Alka. Who I play the Alka? Alka who come on Alka? So that's a 4. And next door forward. Pass the 1, 2, 3, 4. Man spam the money for. And then I see do. Why if I do this one? Alright, put it in. Forward money, forward. One more man forward. I'm gonna add the door. I do not door. One more man forward. Roll forward. Alright, Sasuke there. Alright. Ready now, bro. Put me in, dog. Let me be his door. Hey, done gone by the EP. Come on, let's go there. Let's go, man. Alright, bro. Nice. Am I log? Can I log? OP Sasuke. Nobody know plan for where OP Sasuke. Alright. Nice. Come here. Don't grab in throat now. Enyim and me say if you enyim. No, what's that no gi? Do you want your enyim season cause do you want enyim? Alka? How get eliminated? I two man if get eliminated. How can a batty boys tell them, dog? You two man get eliminated, dog. Yo, fall off. Man them fall off, dog. What kind of game this? Why them a double team? If you understand, say, what do you call this now? I must say 2v2 down there. Alright, not so 40. Alright. You want to watch Alka? Where Alka come? Sasuke, you know, job global? You know, none. Come do something. Think of him if I give all that trouble in a dog. We want to get him a foot. Bumbo clad. Bro. I can't help on a dog. I can't help on a brother because I'm not a player. Like all out, if all out in a play all out. Alright, let's go. Drink on either side. Alright. Then bokuno. Nice, one done. Don't tell me so now I'm making money, no.
Double kill.
Bumbo club. Can play here, bro. Can play next one, bro. Come on, like up the stream, man. Like up the stream, dog. Can play next one, bro. Man in thief, follow. Actually, don't know no Tony. Sasuke, one of the 0 kill because I know I'm teaching you better than that. The 0 kill, bro. Alright, Sasuke. Alka better than an Alka. 0 kill that. Oh god, them man and everything down. Yeah, bro. Alright, see one here? Nice. Mana spam. Mana spam, dog. Mana spam, dog. Mana go spam in the man say he hate it, bro. Man say he hate it, dog. Mana spam him, bro. Alright, come. Who that spam? Man, they nah get nil, dog. Man, they nah get nil, bro. Why people tired, bro? Why pre? Why the man swam? Because the man said they nah get nil, bro. Yeah, she a your friend. Papa no care one, bro. Man, them who are playing the 2v2. If them come out, who are playing the 2v2? Pass the 1, 2, 3 for any cause. Alright, so Bumbo Club, then they got one already. Man, you not play. Alka alone, me see what Alka have. Alka man ain't kill it, dog. Come on, 25 likes, man, come. Like up the stream, dog. This is just a title. To you. You vanilla what they school it? I'm a vanilla what they school. You come like you no want to come out of your class. Bumbo clad. Nice. Me have for next, alright, bro. Them out. Come, we have 3 more games to play. Then we go play 1v1 knockouts. 3 more we have. YP, you can't play, brother. Come, Papa no care for now, bro. What is Papa no care? Papa no care that? And next man forward. See true. My best player in my class. No, the man just don't play. No, the man just don't play. This man they have let me see. Let me see. See for them just don't play. Peck case I had him. Yo, Poppy no care for no, bro. Oh, Road Kid no play it all now. How many name Road Kid? Oh. Come down, come take out the little boy there. Come take out the little boy here, cuz. Come take them out, dog. Nice. Active, bro. Come on, them 3 more sub man, them free reach 2.62k. Nice. Watch your helmet in, bro. Oh, right there, alright, they active or Road Kid there. EP come up for challenge man them. Right there, walk. Right versus Rookie there. Right versus Rookie, right? Alright, Rookie then, let me see him. Let me see what Rookie there. No, Papa, yeah. Let me see what Papa have man them. Yeah, nice Papa. Boom, alright. Bombo clan, nice boy. Everything in a crack. Everything in a crack, dog. Jaja, bro. Yo. Wow.
First blood. Double kill.
No, se me la gana school.
What no cause? Oh yeah.
Yo, cool. Just me alone. I don't know anything today. Alright, man, baby. Who a lead? Who a lead? 1-1? 1-1? EP, what about the more skills? Let me see what about the more skills. How much white? Let me see what white have. Let me see what white have. Nice. We'll go Senegal to run. We'll go Senegal to run. Nice. Nice, bro. Alright. Nice, boy. Alright, let's go, man. Let's go, dog. Alright, then. Am I lag? Nice. I two of them first. Alright, rude kid. Rookie just have him going in there and like some could nerd. Bumbo clad. Are you alone? Seriously, rookie dog. Hell, bro. Seriously, dog. Ping eye, brother. Oh, come there, say. No, say no, I'm place, dog. Hold on, man. Hold on, dog. Alright, there work. Clear? Nice boy. Man, they win. Oh, they don't win, sorry. Think they win, bro. Nice. Oh, right there, right knock. They cheater, yeah. All his money in there. Don't make them in, bro. Come make a spam. This one has that spam. Don't make them win, bro. Don't make the bumbo clad. I'm not playing, brother. I play on them. Alright. Man, I spam. Jesus scale, but who spam better? Man, they really man them to bomb, boy. Yo, man them. Dog. Yeah, bro. One's my. You ready for 1v1 knockouts, man? Them? You ready for 1v1 knockouts? Let me know if you're ready for 1v1 knockouts. Power said 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, let me change the power said. No, power said 1, 2, 3, 4. 2v2 may play, 2v2. Unknown. For no unknown. David, if you play a 4 Javid. Power said 1. Rascal, he full. He full. Who come in? Let me see who come in. Now. Me know who first come in. Come out to stream. Come in last, bro. Go 1 and 6. 6 will go. Go over now, brother. Come on. Go over. Pass it down. Jita want play. Me make Jita. No, me make Jita play. Forward. Pass it 1, 2, 3, 4 Jita forward. Go over Jita, go over Jita. Let's go, bro. Next, it won't then expect when I can play next, bro. Alright, Jita man them. Jita de yabak. Rex. Oh, this beer Jita, bro. Alright. W, bro. W man dog. W man's bro. Pang. If you live in a lot of freaks, cause them give me the better I need. You know. Alright.
First blood.
Nice Jita. Jita versus 1P, right? Jita alone left back. Oh yeah. Man Bucko left EP dog. Alright. Nice. Nice. Nice boy. The boy can, you know, so the boy can touch it with a dog. Hold on there, man. Hold on there. I love freaks, cause them give me the better I need. If I don't get in a scheme, all of my dogs, I'm very unique. Hey girl, come,